Hey guys, I'm showing you this bedside table nightstand with the charging station. It's a black and table with a storage shelf and cabinet. Industrial nightstand for bedroom living room. So let me just unbox the instructions and the parts and everything, that how you can do that installation. Everything is all explained. So this is a straightforward, I think it's a process, and I will assemble it one by one. This is like the outlet. So this have the three USB and two power outlet. Is a tool that comes, and the screws, and then all the different parts. So I will just take out and show like all the unboxing. Everything is properly named or the numbered, so it's easy while doing the installation. So let's start the installation process. It's a glass door, and then let's open the screws and everything. So you know that all the tools are provided in here. So it's a straightforward installation process and easy to use. So the STUV, and on the manual also they provide like what to do where. So all the tools, as I said, is provided, so we can just start doing it. So step by step I'm putting all these parts. This is a magnetic lock for the glass door. All the top is made. This is the glass door, I put it in here. So I installed it completely, and you can see the final product. It's pretty nice and straightforward installation process. Looks really nice with the glass door, with the rack, and above is the outlet. You can see the light is on, so this power on. You can charge and you can use it. Looks really nice inside to that sofa or anywhere you want to put. So I just showing this charging. So everything is working fine. You can put in the stuff here, books or whatever you want to put. And very nice door and very nice nightstand. Looks nice and very purposeful. The side one is also like you can put in the magazines or stuff.